We live in interesting times. In addition to the development of paradoxical logic, paradoxical economics, and even mathematics have recently been developed. Back in August 1998, George Soros sought to save the global financial system from the devastating wave that arose as a result of the Asian crisis. Then he kept a diary, which later turned into his book The Crisis of World Capitalism. At that time, Soros noticed that this very paradoxical mathematics was developing in the world and empirically derived the law of fallibility and reflexivity. Its essence is that during a crisis, any action aimed at improving the economic situation leads to a result opposite to what was expected. Yesterday we said that Justin Sun, Tron owner, assured the community that each of his USDD stablecoins is backed by 300% live dollars. In other words, he is completely harmless. Well, think for yourself, if the USDD rate is even artificially pressed by manipulators, then Justin himself will buy it with a premium to the market. In the end he can even increase its price against the dollar to a ratio of $3 per 1 USDD. And this mathematical expectation is correct. But Justin Sun believed that he had received a good education and was quite familiar with arithmetic. It turned out that everything is not so simple in the days of paradoxical logic and mathematics. Such a subject was not taught to him at school, so the creator of the throne faced the law of falseness and reflexivity of George Soros. In addition, instead of sending real dollars to Trondeo reserves, he created reserves in USDC. Well, you understand. He plays with cheaters at the Alameda Casino and at the same time uses their own chips to play. If the senior comrades from the FRSSEC have sentenced another stablecoin, then no laws will work. Let him reserve his USDD at least 10 times the liquidity reserve. Approximately the same thing happens in the gold and Bitcoin markets. Physically, there is no gold on the market. Bitcoin on the exchanges is also less and less every day, but prices are falling. Such is the paradoxical inclusive logic of Schwab according to the Soros law. The Great Reset has already begun. But this circus performance cannot go on forever. The clowns will get tired and go to sleep. But for now, surprises like this will happen more and more often.